there is a place where the future of the construction machinery industry comes to life. Where pioneers build the world of tomorrow and technologies redefine what can be achieved. Welcome to bauma, where tomorrow's ideas become reality. Here, power meets precision, and the art of engineering sets new standards. With alternative drives that power heavy equipment. With new concepts and innovations to render processes and materials carbon neutral. Making bauma the defining platform for climate neutrality and decarbonisation. Bringing together all the stakeholders from politics, science and the industry. Here at bauma, networked construction opens new possibilities with digitized construction sites and machinery. But innovation is nothing without the people to shape it. Every touch moves us forward. At bauma, we show that people and machines build the future together. From the biggest companies and corporations to the smallest startups and the most renowned experts in the industry, bauma is always at the heartbeat of innovation. And with our focus on mining, we showcase all the latest developments, embracing automation and securing the supply with raw materials while meeting the world's highest regulatory standards. Only at bauma does innovation meet scale, and performance defies imagination. It's not just about what's next, it's about what's beyond. This is the heartbeat of our industry. This is bauma.